you know? Many people don't believe they exist, but I've seen them. And I'm telling you, it's not anything you want to see. My life hasn't been the same since they found me. The voice on the phone sounded strange, but they said they got my number from Al, so I relaxed a bit. I didn't think about it then, but I hadn't seen Al in a while. Now I know why. They asked me to come to 3737 Mockingbird Lane at 3 the next day. They had a renovation project and they needed my help. I get to the house and it was horrible. I remember thinking, they don't need me, they need a wrecking ball. But what the heck, I'll do it. I'll regret those words for the rest of my life. So I get started finding contractors, building schedules, and creating budgets. I should have known something was wrong when they offered to help. As soon as we got started, I noticed them behaving strangely. Not telling me critical information. Not listening to a word that I said. Some days, I would come in and see work that was done that was just wrong. Who the heck did this? Then one day, I walked in and saw. They were trying to install their own kitchen cabinets. Just horror. They were out of level, uneven, and there were huge holes cut out for the plumbing. Who could do such a thing? When I saw what they did to the budget, I found out who these people really were. Rookie renovators.
What are you doing here?
I had to leave town. I don't want them to find me. I have a family, for Christ's sakes.